Hello and welcome back to BilzTech. Today's video we will learn how to hide a folder and unhide at the same folder. Let's start it. So first of all we have to create a folder, an empty folder, so which we can hide it. Then you have to go to the properties and general settings and tick the checkbox. After this, apply and OK. And now if you see, the folder is hidden. So now how to check the hidden folder? Click on the view, down here show, and then hidden items. Just click on hidden items, and here is our hidden folder. After this, now we have to unhide the same folder. Just follow the steps. Go to the properties, general settings, the hidden option which we check in, just check out, and that's it. This is how you have to hide your folder and unhide. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.